Hi guys, my name is Priya. Today I am with our head technician, Shu, and we will be going over a common problem you guys may face with your soft-serve ice cream machine.
Thanks, Priya. Today we're going to be talking about how to clean your ice cream machine. And this is important because you're serving ice cream and you want to make sure that you're up to sanitary standard because it lets you get familiar with your machines. It's also a part of your preventative maintenance, and with that you can help prolong the life of your machine.
Yep, so if you guys follow us back to the back room, we will do the demonstration. We're going to be working with a Taylor soft-serve ice cream machine.
See you in the back. Alright, so after reassembling our machine, we have to sanitize it before we put product through it. So in our case, we are using a K5 sanitizer cleaner. So the process is we put it in there, and the idea is to make about 2 to 5 minutes of contact with the sanitizer to ensure that everything inside is been cleaned and ready to go, so it could be serving, ice cream. So we're using this sanitizer. You just follow the instructions on whatever you may have, and on ours is 1 packet to 2.5 gallons. So we have it prepared in a clean bucket, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it in there. So at this moment, you would take a clean scrubby and your cleaner pipe cleaner, and what we're going to do is you're going to scrape through everything just to make sure that you're getting good contact on everything inside so that it will be sanitized. So you want the sanitizer to make as much contact as possible with all the surfaces to make sure that they're clean and good to go. Alright, and then from here on you're going to turn on your machine and put it into wash. So give me 1 second. So the machines are running for about 2 to 3 minutes now, so it should be good to go ahead and empty out your sanitizer solution. So we go ahead. And by doing this, it also allows contact with all the surfaces that your ice cream will touch when it comes out. So this ensures that every surface that is going to be touched by the mix as well should be clean and sanitized to be safe to eat from. So we're going to empty this out, and we're going to prepare some mix for you, fresh. And we're going to throw it in there and show you how to prime your barrel and get your product started. So after filling your ice cream machine with your mix and getting it all primed, don't forget to put in your air tube. So this is really important because it regulates the amount of air that goes into your mix to give you optimal consistency. So make sure your hole's on the bottom so you get good mix flow, and make sure you have the proper air regulator on top, and go ahead and put it in. Just like that. Now you can go and put your machine in auto and make some ice cream.
Customers will appreciate a clean, bacteria-free machine. For quality cleanliness in your machine, it's important to have the right tools. Check out All American Made brand Justman brushes for a quality product you can trust. Use Slices code 11 at checkout for an 11% discount. These brushes are specifically designed for soft serve, and they'll soon be a favorite at your store.